How's it going, guys? Darth Vader Halloween here. Now today we're going to be unboxing something. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2011 Gemmy Raver Ghost that plays Somebody's Watching Me. This is actually the first time I've ever gotten a Grave Raver in years. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. Oh, finally. We got the box open now. Okay. More tape. This is packaged well. Wow. Okay. Here he is. The 2011 Gemmy Somebody's Watching Me Grave Raver Ghost. I'm gonna go get some batteries for him, and I will be right back. Okay, I just installed batteries, and he works flawlessly. Let me go ahead and show you. And yeah, I know I'm using the Infernal Reaper box as a table, but it'll do for now. Anyways, yeah. Hope you guys like the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of this Grave Raver. I really like it, and that's actually why I got it. Again, this is the first time I've ever been able to get a Grave Raver in a long time. This is the first time I've ever seen a Grave Raver for a somewhat decent price on eBay, and it fully works. So that's just yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.